Africa. The name itself stirs something primal, something deep within our souls. A continent of raw beauty, untamed landscapes, and a vibrant tapestry of cultures that have thrived for millennia. From the sweeping savannas of the Serengeti, where the wildebeest roam free, to the bustling Medinas of Marrakesh, Africa is a sensory feast. Imagine waking up to the roar of lions in the distance, the golden sun rising over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. Picture yourself haggling for spices in a marketplace alive with color and sound, the air thick with the scent of exotic spices and the hum of lively conversations. This is Africa, a continent that begs to be explored, to be felt, to be experienced in every possible way. But Africa isn't just about breathtaking landscapes. It's about the people, the heart and soul of this vast land. The warmth of their smiles, the rhythm of their music, the stories etched in their eyes, passed down through generations. It's about connecting with a different pace of life, a different way of seeing the world, where time seems to slow down and every moment is savored. Africa is a continent that will challenge you, surprise you, and ultimately change you in ways you never imagined. It's a journey of the heart and soul, a place where every experience leaves an indelible mark. There's a certain liberation that comes with solo travel. It's a journey where you are the master of your own destiny. No itineraries dictated by others, no schedules to follow but your own. No compromises on where to go, what to see, how long to linger. Every decision is yours to make. When you travel solo, you are the architect of your own adventure. You design the blueprint of your journey. Want to spend a week getting lost in the souks of Marrakesh? Go for it. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and colors. Feel the pull of Mount Kilimanjaro? Start climbing. Challenge yourself and reach new heights. Solo travel in Africa is about answering to no one but yourself and the rhythms of the continent. It's a dance with nature. It's about following your curiosity down dusty roads and discovering hidden gems you never knew existed. Every path leads to a new story. It's about embracing spontaneity, allowing yourself to get blissfully lost, and finding beauty in the unexpected detours. These moments become the highlights of your journey. Let's be clear, Africa demands respect. This isn't a theme park. It's a wild, untamed land, and with that comes a responsibility to be prepared. Do your research, understand the risks, know your limits, but don't let fear paralyze you. With careful planning and a healthy dose of common sense, solo travel in Africa can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Invest in good travel insurance. Familiarize yourself with local customs and laws. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Pack for all types of weather, because Africa is a continent of extremes. And most importantly, trust your gut. If a situation feels off, remove yourself. One of the greatest joys of solo travel is the opportunity to connect with locals on a deeper level. Without the buffer of a group, you're more likely to strike up conversations, share meals, and hear stories that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Learn to embrace the art of conversation without words. A smile, a nod, a genuine attempt to bridge the language barrier can speak volumes. Be open to sharing a meal with strangers, learning about their lives, their dreams, their struggles. These are the encounters that will color your journey with the true spirit of Africa. A journey of self-discovery. Solo travel is as much about the journey inward as it is about the destination. It's about testing your limits, pushing yourself outside your comfort zone, and discovering a strength you never knew you possessed. Africa, with its raw beauty and its share of challenges, is the ultimate proving ground for the soul. You'll learn to navigate unfamiliar situations, to trust your instincts, to rely on your own resourcefulness. You'll face fears you didn't know you had, and emerge from the experience stronger, more confident, and with a renewed appreciation for the simple things in life. Africa's enchanting call to adventure. Africa is a continent that gets under your skin. It's a place where the unexpected is the norm, where plans change on a whim, and where the greatest adventures often unfold when you least expect them. Embrace the unknown. Don't be afraid to get lost, to deviate from the itinerary. to say yes to opportunities that present themselves. Some of the most memorable moments of your journey will be the ones you couldn't have planned for. Practical tips for the savvy. Solo explorer. Before you embark on your solo African adventure, here are a few practical tips to keep in mind. Pack light. You'll be grateful for it when you're navigating crowded markets or bumpy bus rides. A lighter load means more freedom to explore without the burden of heavy luggage slowing you down. Be respectful of local customs. Do your research beforehand to avoid any cultural faux pas. Understanding and respecting traditions can open doors to unique experiences and foster goodwill with the people you meet. Stay connected. Invest in a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi device to stay connected with loved ones back home. This not only ensures your safety, but also allows you to share your adventures in real time. Bargain like a pro. Haggling is part of the culture in many African countries, so don't be afraid to negotiate prices. It can be a fun and engaging way to interact with locals and get the best deals. Embrace the street food. Some of the most delicious and authentic food in Africa can be found on the streets. Be adventurous with your palate, but also be mindful of food hygiene to avoid any health issues. Be prepared to disconnect. Embrace the opportunity to disconnect from technology and truly immerse yourself in the present moment. This can be a rare chance to reflect, recharge, and fully appreciate the beauty around you. Crafting your African adventure. The beauty of solo travel is that it's just that, yours. Whether you're drawn to the wildlife-rich plains of the Serengeti, the ancient ruins of Egypt, or the vibrant culture of Morocco, Africa offers a tapestry of experiences to satisfy every type of traveler. Hike to the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro, trek through the rainforest in search of gorillas, or simply relax on the pristine beaches of Zanzibar. The possibilities are endless. So go on, answer the call of the wild. Embrace the unknown. Africa awaits. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out more videos on Africa travel for more inspiration and adventure.